Online shopping is now a super common activity. It only takes a few taps or clicks to purchase almost everything. But before you dive into shopping, make sure you're not spending more than you have. Take note that it's important to prepare your budget, shop at the best times, and compare retailer prices and policies. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about having a shopping budget, making a list, the best times to shop, using discounts and shopping codes, and lastly, to price match for the best deals out there. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss tips about making money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to find the best online deals. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell to receive updates and be the first to check out our latest videos. So, now I'll tell you how to shop smart and find the best deals online. So, first is to set a budget and make a shopping list. You probably have plans in place for significant expenses like holidays, weddings, or college tuition. But it's important to note that planning out regular purchases is just as significant. Making a budget that takes clothing, gifts, groceries, and other expenses into account will help you determine how much you can spend to stay out of debt. Be more attentive while shopping if you have a budget in mind. Before you go, make sure to have a list of the things you want to buy to prevent impulsive buying. It will be simpler to stick to your budget and avoid impulsive purchases if you stick to the list of things. The 50-30-20 budget is one template you can use to split your monthly income between the things you need and non-essentials. This will give you a complete overview of your finances. So, the 20% set aside for savings is the smallest number and the most significant. Once you achieve that, perhaps with an employer-sponsored retirement plan and other automated monthly savings transfers. The rest, that big 80% chunk, is up for debate. That leaves 50% for needs and 30% for wants. Although you really can just adjust these numbers to reflect your situation. At second is to shop at the right time. There is an ideal time of year to purchase practically anything, including pencils, bedding, furniture, appliances, and more. In-season sales and major shopping holidays sometimes feature big discounts. So I'll run down some big events to give you an idea of the ideal shopping dates. So first is the back-to-school sales. Savings in clothing, computers, office supplies, and other items start in the late summer. A number of states also take part in sales tax holidays in or around August, exempting certain back-to-school purchases from paying sales taxes. Next is Labor Day sales. Mattress sales are the main draw for Labor Day celebrations in September, but shoppers can also find some of the lowest prices of the year on summer inventory, appliances, and home decor. Another is the Black Friday deals. You don't have to skip Thanksgiving dinner in order to score a great deal. As early as October, retailers start to post Black Friday ads and even discounts. Also, several provide the same discounts both offline and online. Sales go on and on and on into Cyber Monday celebrations into the week after Black Friday. So the best prices are often found in product categories like small kitchen appliances and personal devices. Superstores like Target and Walmart dominate Black Friday, but other retailers like pharmacies and wholesale clubs also participate. To plan when and where to shop, you might want to check your mailbox, inbox, and retailer websites for notifications. Now I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here, but I want to know if you've already been doing the methods mentioned so far. Let me know in the comment section below so that I'll know. So now, the third method is to apply coupons. You may save money on purchases from grocery shops and other businesses by knowing the basics of couponing. Try a free coupon app. Or make it a practice to look for discount codes each time you go shopping. You might be able to get $1 off shampoo on your list or free shipping if you spend a few minutes on aggregator websites. Many stores offer a discount code on your next shopping trip or when you sign up on their website with your email. Don't pass up these often very significant discounts. The fourth one is to compare and match prices. It pays to do a little research because several merchants may offer the same things at different costs. Check out a few websites before making a purchase, but sticker pricing can be misleading. So, be sure to include information like shipping costs and discounts when doing comparisons. Look at price matching policies as well. Companies like Target and Best Buy might match a cheaper price that it's listed on a competitor's website. If you discover a price drop shortly after buying an item, some companies will even give you a partial refund. To seek an adjustment, you can call a retailer's customer service line or utilize its online chat facility. So the fifth is to use shopping tools and apps. If keeping track of cost-cutting measures makes going shopping feel like a homework assignment, consider automating the process. In order to save your time, popular browser extensions and apps like Honey and Rakuten can find coupons, track prices, and more. The sixth is to buy online and pick up in store. You can shop online and receive your product the same day, perhaps at a discount, without having to pay shipping fees. The drawback is that you have to go to the store to get it. However, the ease of curbside and in-store pickup may be worth it, especially when you consider the money you'll save by spending less time around tempting displays. Now, the seventh is to get rewards. Through rewards, credit cards, retailer loyalty programs, and cashback applications, you can accrue cash, points, or other advantages in addition to the usual discounts. However, don't let the promise of a reward tempt you to make unnecessary purchases, okay? The eighth and the last method is to score free stuff. Discounts are great, but you may also get free things online, like gift cards. Why not check Marketplace for a free coffee table before you buy a new one? You see, you can learn how to get free stuff from libraries, community marketplaces, and other locations. Well, now that you know what they are you ready to shop wisely online? Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more. See you!